I'm Susan. Today I'm going to decorate some envelopes and get them ready for a Christmas junk journal. I don't know which ones I'm going to use, but I figure it never hurts to add to your stash. So I'm going to at least collage them. I may decorate a few just to see what we got. I want to use up some of my Christmas scraps I have, but I also have this little small pack of papers as well. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here's what I've got. This was the first one I did. It's a little pocket. I'm thinking I will glue that to a page on the, and sew it in the signature and then glue it. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. I can always decorate this later if I need to. But I like the little bird on there, and I've got the little girl, and you can see through the window here. And then I've got this one. I made a little tiny pocket here. This one I will go on the other side, and I've got some journaling space here, journaling space here. And then I'm going to sew that into the signature and then probably glue it onto a page, and then it'll just flip out. And I've got a pocket. I did add this. This is some images I stamped last year. So I just added it on to decorate the pocket. And I added the little star sequins, and I put them on both sides so you wouldn't see the glue. And I think it looks cute. My supervisor likes it as well. And then I've got this little flip out pocket. This will go on the end of a page like this. You'll have a pocket and then a pocket, and I think those are cute. And these two I didn't show making, but this was the bottom part of this envelope, and I did the same thing. You'll put it on the side of a page, and it'll be a little tuck place or a pocket on each side. And this is another envelope. I didn't embellish. I figured I'd wait until I see what I wanted to embellish it with. But I've got lots of things. I could put some plain paper over here to journal on. This will probably be a page in a journal, and I will just add it in. And there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.